Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show how to make your own compact powder easily at home using lactocalamine as the main ingredient. So this is very affordable to make and we can save a lot of money by making our own DIYs. So to know how to prepare this compact powder, then let's get started. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest beauty updates. To prepare this, we need lactocalamine lotion, calamine powder, any foundation, Johnson's baby powder, rose water, and finally you need any of your old compact case. Now let's move on to the process. Take any mixing bowl and add 1 spoon of calamine powder. Calamine is very beneficial to our skin. It helps to treat all our skin problems. Next, add a baby powder. There is no particular measurements, but I have added nearly 5 to 6 spoons of baby powder. It depends on how much quantity you want to make. So make sure to add only 1 spoon of calamine powder, that's it, not more than that, and you can add as much baby powder as you want depending on how much quantity you want to make it. Next, add some calamine lotion, only half a spoon of this. If you add more calamine lotion, then your compact powder doesn't rise. So mix it once. So after mixing it nicely, next I'm going to add some rose water. Add sufficient amount of rose water. It should not be too runny. Now give it a very good mix. To match my skin tone, next I'm going to add foundation. So I'm going to add some darker shade of foundation. So after adding this foundation, just give it a good mix. So after mixing it very well, you can see this is how the consistency of compact powder looks. It should not be so runny. Now I'm going to transfer this in my old compact case. I'm going to spread it evenly with the help of spoon. So after spreading it, if there is any excess product here and there, then clean it with the help of tissue. Now you need to dry your compact powder for nearly 2 days. If you want to dry it quickly, then use a hair dryer. But even I have used hair dryer, it has taken 2 days to dry my compact case. So after 2 days, this is my compact powder looks. Now I'll swatch it and show how the product actually works. So this is how it looks. It's very powdery, and after applying it gives me matte finish as we have added calamine powder in it. So it's really very helpful and very useful for oily skin people. So I have already made another 2 videos on this particular compact powder, so I will provide the link in the description box. If you want, you can check it out, and you can choose which one is easy for you, so accordingly you can prepare it. So hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, see you, bye.